my channel, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe immediately and don't forget to like, share and recommend this video.
And you can also follow her on Facebook and Instagram.
So today on my channel, as you can see, I have my sister who will be asking me a couple of interesting questions on makeup. It's basically going to be like a rapid fire round, and I think this should be fun for all of you to watch. So let's get started. Are you ready?
Yes, so I'll be asking her around 20 questions today, and they're going to be mostly on makeup, lifestyle and fashion. And she has to answer every question with a time gap of only 5 seconds. So let's start.
I'm nervous.
Right, let's start. The first question. So your current favorite beauty YouTube channel to binge?
Current favorite YouTube channel. I actually love watching, definitely I love watching all these makeup videos, but I randomly, I love watching these prank channels a lot. So there are a couple of Indian prank channels which I keep binging on. I mean, I know it's kind of obvious that I love beauty channels, but I usually end up watching prank channels a little more.
Right, okay. So second question is your current beauty favorites. Start.
So my current beauty favorite products is Let It Glow by MAC. I think I'm obsessed over that highlighter. That's such a beautiful highlighter and all of you should get it. I also like this lipstick called Carnivores by MAC, which I keep wearing for almost all my party looks. And the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, which I got like really recently, you know, from Nykaa. I think I've been using that product. Is there a limit, or I can...
No, you can go as long as you want.
Okay, it's my current favorite. Okay, let me think. Actually, my constant favorite has been the Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder. I think that is one of the best products for setting my face. And I think I'll give you one last product which I definitely keep using all the time. And that definitely has to be Sugar's Kajal. Oh my god, I used to love the Plum's Kajal, but these days Sugar's Kajal has totally replaced it.
Right. Okay, so the next question is, what is the one beauty product you can't live without?
One beauty product I can't. Oh, okay, this is a difficult question. I think if I have to choose, I think lipstick. Yeah, lipstick.
Okay, what is your current morning skincare routine?
Current morning skincare routine. So basically, I wash my face, I scrub my face like twice a week. And I also end up using one face mask that can be either homemade or it can be the Plum's chamomile face mask. That's my current favorite. And I also love using different lip balms because, you know, it's currently kind of winter, so my lips tend to get dry, so I keep using lip balm throughout the day. I love using hand creams as well, but I know it doesn't come under morning skincare. And yeah, definitely don't forget to use sunscreen. So.
What's your current nighttime skincare routine?
Nighttime skincare routine is basically washing my face. I usually end up using a little exfoliating kind of face wash because, you know, that just helps me remove my dirt. And I also end up using aloe vera gel because it is so soothing on the skin. And right after that, I use a night gel or a regular moisturizer sometimes, which is a little heavy on the skin. And yeah, my lip balm, and then I go to sleep. And I do oil my hair in the night and wash it in the next morning.
Okay, awesome. So next question is, what are you most excited about for 2021?
What am I most excited about 2021? Actually, I think 2021 definitely I'm hoping to see a solution for the current COVID situation, and since the vaccines are already going to be out, so I hope this problem gets resolved finally and all of us can continue living our lives. Another thing that I feel is going to bring a big change in 2021 is definitely the movie industry, because I feel everybody has switched to Netflix and you know, all of these series. So I really hope that these series and this in-house Netflix productions grow more.
Okay, great. So the next series of questions are going to be this or that questions. So you have to quickly choose one out of the two and answer them. Right. So the first one is neutrals or colors?
Neutrals.
Pencil or liquid eyeliner?
Liquid.
Lipstick or lip gloss?
Lipstick.
Straight or wavy hair?
Actually wavy. I like wavy hair.
Matte or gloss?
Matte.
Foundation or BB cream?
Foundation.
Heels or flats?
Heels.
Alright. So next question is, what was the first beauty product you ever owned?
Kajal, definitely. I think in every Indian teenage girl would have gone to her mom's purse and taken out the first beauty product as a kajal. So definitely kajal.
Yes, that's true actually. Okay, the next one is, what cosmetic brands have you always wanted to try?
I actually want to try Bobbi Brown. For some reason, I don't own any Bobbi Brown's products, but I really want to try them out. Yeah.
What makeup can we always find in your bag?
A lipstick, a kajal, a compact, and blush sometimes.
Right. How do you discover new products?
How do I discover new products? That's actually a very interesting question. So definitely keep watching YouTube. I keep browsing through all these, all these shopping apps like Nykaa and Purple, and I keep seeing if something new is launched. I also love reading articles actually. So I do follow a couple of blogs on the internet which give good written material. So yeah, that's how I find my job.
Okay. How often do you shop for makeup?
Very, very frequently, which I'm super guilty about. So my guilty pleasure is buying makeup.
Yes,
I think
we get a Nykaa delivery every day at home.
okay, now I'm guilty.
So what type of product do you buy the most of?
The one that I use the least. I love buying blushes. I keep on buying blushes because that's my favorite beauty product. But I don't use them so much. I mean, I do, but only the fixed ones. Yeah.
What is your favorite place to shop for makeup?
Nykaa, definitely. Current favorite.
Yes, that is obvious. If you could only buy from one brand, which one would you choose?
Wow. MAC.
Guessed it. Okay. Your 3 favorite beauty gurus?
3 favorite beauty gurus. Okay, I love Nikki Tutorials. I love Tati Beauty, and I also love Malvika. She is amazing. So these 3. Yeah.
Okay. So what's your most recent makeup purchase?
Makeup purchase. Wow, actually, my most recent purchase was of skincare. Is that included or it has to be?
Yeah, I think it has to be makeup.
It has to be makeup. What was my? I think it was a highlighter.
Okay. Don't remember because there's one new thing every day. So. Right. So if you only have 2 minutes to apply your makeup, what do you do?
Okay. Actually, we can make a video on this. So I think the quick one would be like I'll take my concealer quickly. I'll hide my under eyes, and then I'll go with the compact, and then I'll just put on some lipstick. I'll use the same lipstick as my blush and kajal, and maybe the kajal as eyeliner if I have some time left. And yeah.
Let's keep a timer on that one and let's see if that works out.
Let's see. Yeah, it was easy to say.
Right. So, what's your favorite Bollywood makeup look?
Favorite Bollywood makeup look. Okay. I think I love the look of Kiara Advani in Kabir Singh because I love a neutral nude makeup looks. Actually, that's my personal favorite, and I really like how that makeup looked because it almost looked like she was wearing no makeup and still she was looking so pretty with the makeup that she had on. So yeah, definitely that's true.
Okay, so the last and final question is top 3 lipsticks that would look good on me. What do you think?
On you. Okay, so I think you should have your staple lipstick as Max Meher. I think that is like a compulsory, which you can definitely go for. You can also put Nykaa's Naughty Nude. I think that is one lipstick that you can definitely look to try. And another one would be Sugar's Viola. I think that will also look amazing on you.
Right, I'll note those down. Right, so we're done with the rapid fire. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I thought of doing something different, so I requested my sister to be on my channel, and thanks to her for doing this. So also she's the one who basically shoots the entire video and helps me with the editing part. She's amazing at her job, and she's been helping me so much.
Nice.
So thank you so much, Niharika. And fine, let's get going then. Bye.
Bye.